Hi guys, welcome to Nepaltronics. Today we will be making a DIY very simple and efficient DC 5 volt as well as variable 1.2 volt to 12 volt DC power supply. So let's get started. These are the flowing components that are required for our project. Two 2200 microfarad 35 volt electrolytic capacitors, few terminal blocks, a 10 kilo ohms potentiometer, some male headers, 41N4007 diode, 2 heatsink with screw nuts and thermal pad, 2 voltage regulator IC, one fixed and one variable. Fixed one is 7805 and LM317 for variable output, a DPDT power on-off switch, a double-side matrix board, 6 by 8 cm, 2 LEDs and few resistors. We'll be making this project in this 6 by 8 cm double-side matrix board. Now let's just roughly populate our board so that we can visualize how our end result looks like. Since the mounting pin of this heatsink is 1.5 mm, I need to drill the PCB with 1.5 mm drill bit so that it can be placed and soldered in the PCB. I have drilled the matrix board and now let's place the heatsink. Now let's populate our board with the components. With this, now we have finally completed our component placement and soldering. Next, we will insert one red and black wire for our power input and connect to our main power supply of around 15 volt DC or AC. Now our circuit has been finally finished and we will be testing it. Let's power it on. Here we have 4.97 voltage, which is our 5 volt output, and this is our variable DC output point from where we can switch from 1.2 voltage to 12 volt DC. Hence, we have finished making our regulated DC 5 volt power supply and variable 1.2 volt to 15 volt DC. With this, I conclude this project here. If you have any questions regarding this project and similar, please comment, and please do like, share and subscribe this video and other videos of my channel. Thank you.